about what all the things we solve. Associative property, multiplication, associative property of a multiplication, commutative property of multiplication. We all studied about these all things. Yes, we studied about these all things. On the basis of that, we solved some of the sums also. Okay, we solved some of the sums. And the fifth main exercise number 1.3, children. We are solving exercise number 1.3. Yes, we are solving exercise number 1.3. Yes, find the product using suitable properties. We are using the sum of the properties and we are solving. Yes, we are solving the problems using the properties. Okay, the fifth main, the last one, G and H I will solve today. G and H, both the sums will solve today. Okay, and remaining sums, which all sums are, if the sums are remaining, you have to solve by yourself. Okay, you have to solve by yourself. The G and H will solve today. Okay, what is the sum? Minus 17 into minus 29. Minus 17 into minus 29. Okay, multiply these two, children. Minus 17 into minus 29. Multiply. How much we get? Yes, we get how much? 493. 9 sevens are 63. 6 will be carried. 9 ones are 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we'll solve it step by step only. Okay. 7 nines are 63. Yes, 63. 9 ones are 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Plus 2 sevens are 14. 1 will be carried here. 2 ones are 2. 3. How much? 3, 9, 4. How much we got? 493. Minus into minus will be plus. So answer how much we got? 493. Yes? Okay. Now the next sum is minus 57 into minus 19 into 9 plus 57. Which property is this, children? Which property is this? Distributive property, yes. Distributive property. Okay, we'll solve it once now. Okay. First we'll multiply these two. 7 nines are how much, children? 63. Obviously 63. 9 fives are 5 nines are 45. 46, 47, 51 plus 1 sevens are 7. 1 fives are 5. 3, 8, 10. We got how much? 1083. 1083 plus. Now add this with the plus 57. Okay, add these two. How much we get? 8 plus 3 will be 7 plus 3 will be 10. Okay, 1 carry here. 5 plus 8 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 11. How much we got? 1140. 1140 or 1170, children? See that? 1140 we get. What we get? 1140. Understood the problems? Here we are using what? Here we are using properties. Here what we are using? Properties. What we are using? Properties of the multiplication. Now we'll move on to the next problem. Sixth one. We'll solve it now. Understood this problem, children? These are the simple things. We are solving the simple problem, simple multiplication. Only the signs we are using. What we are using, children? We are using the signs. Okay. Sixth one. Sixth problem. A certain freezing process requires that a room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? What is the question? Sixth question. Sixth question. Okay. Okay. Sixth question, children. A certain freezing process requires that a room temperature be lowered from a 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Then what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process being? Or in another, one room temperature ಎಷ್ಟು 40 degrees Celsius ಐತಿ. ಅದ slowly ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಕೋತ ಬರತೈತಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು 5 degrees Celsius slowly ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗಾರ 10 degrees Celsius ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ 10 hours ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 5 degrees Celsius ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 10 hours ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತೈತಿ? We have to see that. This is the word problem. Okay. A certain temperature be lowered to how much? 40 degree Celsius. Okay, and at the rate of 5 degree Celsius. Okay, at the rate of 5 degree Celsius. Then what is the after 10 hours? After 10 hours, what the room temperature is? Room temperature is equals to what we have to do? We have to minus 5. Okay, 40 minus what we have to do? First we have to multiply these two. 10 hours into the lowered temperature. Okay, 10 into 5 we have to do. How much we get? 50. Okay, 50 degrees Celsius we got. Okay, for the 10 hours. Then we have to find out the final temperature. The is equals to room temperature minus lowered temperature. Okay, so it will be 50 minus 40 degrees Celsius minus what is the room temperature remaining? 10 degree minus 10 degree Celsius. ಎಷ್ಟು 10 degree Celsius ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆತಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೋವರ್ ಆಕೋತ ಹೋಗಿ 10 degree ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಆತ minus 10 degree ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, minus 10 degree Celsius. This is the problem of 6th one. Word problem it is. You have to write with a step by step procedure like this only. You have to write step by step. Okay. The next problem. Copy this, children, please. Okay. The next problem. 7th one. Write the 7th one. Question. In a class, test containing a 10 questions. One class na ena test conduct ಮಾಡಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. ಆ 10 questions ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. 5 marks for the awarded for the every correct. 5 marks correct answer ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅವರ 10 questions ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. If he wrote correct answer, he get what? He get 5 marks. Okay. If he wrote wrong answers. If he wrote wrong marks, wrong question, he get -2 deduction. Okay, deduction it is. He get 5 marks deduction. Okay. So what they are asking, in the class test containing a 10 questions, 5 marks will be if he wrote correct answers and -2 marks are awarded for the every incorrect answer, and the 0 marks for not attempting. 0 marks for not writing the answer only, leaving like that only. Okay. First they are asking the questions now. First question, Mohan gets 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect answer. What is his score then? Okay, we'll write the statement first. 7th question. In the class, in the test, 10 questions are there. 5 marks for correct answer, okay, -2 marks for incorrect answers. Okay, -2 marks for the correct answer, 5 marks for the correct answers, -2 marks for the incorrect answers. So first question, what is that? Mohan gets 4 correct answers. He gets 4 correct answers and 6 incorrect answers. Mohan writes 4 correct answers and 6 incorrect answers. So what we have to do? The correct answers will be how much? The correct answer gets how many marks? 5 minutes. So Mohan wrote 4 correct answers. So what we have to do? 5 into 4 we have to do. So how much he gets? 20 marks. 20 marks he got. And after that, Mohan what he did? He wrote 6 incorrect answers. Incorrect answers marks will be -2. Mohan wrote how many marks? 6. So what we have to do? 6 into -2. How much? 6 into -2 will be -12. Okay. -12. Okay. Now what we have to do? 20 minus. We have to do. I will write it here. What we have to do? So the continuation. Okay. This is the continuation. So the Mohan got 20 minus 12. What is the 20 minus 12 will be? 8. He got 8 marks. He got how many marks? He got 8 marks. Mohan got 8 marks. Okay. The first answer. Only first one we solved. Okay. First main. Second main we will solve it. Can I rub this, children? Please copy this. Please pause the video and copy this. Okay. Okay. I will rub it. First one. Mohan got how many marks? 8 marks he got. Okay. Next one. Reshma gets, second question. Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score then? Okay. Reshma. Here what is the name of that girl? Reshma. Okay. She got 5 correct and 5 incorrect. Okay. Incorrect. Okay. 5 marks for correct. Okay. So Reshma got 5 correct answers. What do we have to do now? 5 into 5. It will be 25. Okay. She got 25 correct marks. Now -2 marks for incorrect. Okay. So Reshma got 5 incorrect answers. Incorrect. So 5 into -2. How much she get? -10 she get. How much she get? -10 she get. Okay. 25 and -10 they get. So the total score of Reshma is equals to correct answer is equals to 25 minus 10. 25 minus 10. She gets minus. Yes, 25 minus 10. She gets what? She gets what? Minus 15. She gets minus 15. Like this we have to write. 10 minus 25. We get minus 15. She got what? Minus 15. Understood now? Now, Now the last, copy this children. This will be like this only, like this one. 25 minus 10. Okay, copy this children. Copy this. Please copy everything in the statement form. I want like this only in your classwork. Okay, no corrections, no shortcuts. I don't want any shortcuts in this. Okay, how I wrote on the board, like that only you also have to write it on your book. Write it in your book. Okay, we'll see the third one now. C part. What is the C part? Henna gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions. She attempts. What is her score then? Okay. She attended how many questions? She attended only 7 questions. She not attended all the questions. Okay, 2 questions she left. 3 questions she left her. But if she not attempted that question only, then she gets 0 for that. Okay, neglecting of it. Next one, third question. Henna gets 2 correct answers, 2 correct and 5 incorrect. 5 incorrect answers. Okay, answers out of 7 questions. Okay, 3 questions she left. Okay, 3 questions she left. Okay, so Henna left 3 questions. Okay, so it will be 0. Okay, she not attempted, so it will be 0. Okay, now correct answer 5 marks. Okay, so how many she wrote correct answer? 2. Okay, 2 she wrote 2, and it will be 5 into 2, that will be 10. That will be what? 10. Okay, now she wrote 10. Okay, she wrote 5 incorrect answers. 5 incorrect answers. Incorrect answers. 5 incorrect answers. That will be the wrong answers will be 5 incorrect answers. 5 correct answers. 5 into minus 2. 5 into minus 2. Okay, that will be minus 10. And she not attempted the 3 questions only. So total score of Henna. Total score of Henna is equals to 10 minus of minus 10. Okay, 10 minus 10. Okay, what she gets? She gets 0 marks. Okay, already she left 3 questions. So she already left 3 questions. Only she attended the 7 questions. In that she got what? 0 marks. Okay, she lost her all marks. Okay, okay children. What we did till 7. 8th one is a homework for you. Homework 8th sum. Okay, please solve it and try to solve it. If you not understand, I will tell you. Okay, 8th sum, please solve it. And these are things what we did today. Now please copy it in your fair notes. Please copy it in your fair notes. Everything will be like this only, step by step. No shortcuts in that. And what all calculation part is there, make a rough page in that and calculate there. Okay, write it neatly and send me the photo clicks. And homework, I told you what is the homework. Please write that, complete that, and we'll solve the next part. What is that? The 9th question. Only the fill in the blanks. They replace the answers they given. We'll solve it in the next class. Okay children? See you in the next class. Complete this one. Bye.